There you go, there you go.
Look at little Bugsy.
Hit it. There you go. Chris ain't hit a shot yet.
Woo! Go Jets. Come on, Marcus. Get your hands up.
There you go.
Oh. So you can push people? Put the pressure on them. How you doing now? Come on, Eddie.
3 seconds in the lane. 30 to the right. Go
On him, pressure.
Pressure.
There you go, Eddie. There you go.
It's okay.
That's all right, Eddie.
Did you like him? That's all. Put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him.
There you go. Get on him.
Rebound.
There you go. There you go, Zay.
Ooh. Get him, Zach. Don't let him get by you, Zach. Don't let him get by you.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Pressure.
Hands up. Go get
Yours, Zach. Yours, Zach.
Get open, Zach. Whack. Follow your shot. Get open, Zach. Go, Zach. Go get it. Come on.
There you go.
Help out. Get open, Zach. Get in there, Zach. Backboard. Rebound. Rebound.
Pressure. Come on.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
There you go, Terrell.
Go, CJ. Go. Go down. Go down.
There you go, CJ.
Don't think because he's little. Hands up. Get that ball back. Get the ball back.
There you go, Zach. There you go. There you go.
Get it, Ryan. Gets nothing. Let him get nothing.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Like a net. Chris, your rebound. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice pass. You got robbed.
No. I was about to get him. Get him. There you go. Come here, Marcus. Stay on him, Dave. That's way, Joseph.
Help him out. There you go.
Oh, let me go.
Hey.
I know you like this. Oh, you should hold me to say.
There you go, Chris. Stay with him.
Yeah, they would have popped off.
walking.
There you go, Eddie.
Get in there.
No.
Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. Woo! Yeah. Get on him. Okay. Big. Woo!
It's all right. There you go, Zay.
Shoot it.
Chris, you could have shot that.
Woo! Stay on him. Stay on him. There you go. There you go. Stay on him, Chris.
Pressure.
No foul. There you go, Simon. Stay with him, George. I hate when it's so close like that.
I know, ball. Gonna get a ball in the face.
Arms up.
Put it up, Chris.
Hey, come on, Ike. There you go. No fouling, no foul. Hands up, Jack.
There you go, Marcus.
Arms up now. Arms.
Rebound.
Good job. Set it up, Jack. Put the pressure on him.
Get him,
On him, Chris.
Put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him.
Come to it. Go to him.
There you go, Marcus. Get him, Brian. Ooh!
There's Joyce. Go get that ball.
Good D, Chris.
Get him. Woo!
Pass it.
There you go. It's all right, Chris.
Oh, watch out. Watch out, Kurt.
Hands up.
Hands up, defense. Woo! God, last one, last one. Go, Al.
That's it.
Do it.
Go, Chris. What's up? There you go, Brian.
I know.
It's yours, baby. It's yours.
Whoop! Follow your shot. There you go, Marcus. Follow your shot.
It's okay.
Arms up.
Come on.
Jordan.
Come on, guys. Help out. Go after it.
I'm gonna go, Chris. Oh.
Rebound. Shit. Come on. Shot, ref. Good job. Ref about to get hit with all are here. Get over there. There you go, rebound.
There you go. Go, Marcus. Yes.
There you go.
Up him out.
There you go, Chris.
Go, Zay. Good passes.
Take your time.
Help him out. Somebody come help him. There you go. Shoot it, Zaylen. Oh, what they doing?
That's it, Jordan. Keep on it.
Right there.
Good passes. There you go. In there.
Woo!
Ooh, Zaylen.
Come on, Celtics.
There you go. Let it go.
No foul. Hands up.
Help him out, Jordan.
Hands up. Come on, hands up. Put the pressure on him, Marcus.
There you go. There you go.
Ooh. Take that ball.
In.
Oh. Dunk it, Zaylen.
Dunk it.
Sit up, Bri.
Right.
Jordan, move for him.
Ooh. It's all right.
It's okay.
There you go, Ed. Nice save.
Nice job, Jordan.
Stay with him, Jordan.
Come get it. There
Open
you
up.
go. In there.
Oh!
Uh-huh.
And one.
You all right?